everyone, this is Devika with Keller Williams Realty. Welcome to this beautiful house in the heart of Manteca at 1507 Calaveras. This property has 3 bed, 2 bath with a 3-car garage. The living space is 1950 square feet and it's situated on a huge lot of 0.3 acres. And it has a beautiful pool that you can see on the background. Come check it out. For more information on this property, see the link below. I would really appreciate if you like and subscribe to my channel because I'm going